Have you ever wondered how computers store and retrieve the massive amounts of information we generate every day? In the world of information storage and retrieval, computers are the unsung heroes, tirelessly managing, organizing, and retrieving heaps of data. This fascinating interplay between computer science and IS&R allows us to delve into the intricate systems that make our digital lives possible. From databases to files, from algorithms to cloud storage, computers are the relentless engines driving the information age. As we can see, computers are fundamental tools in the world of information storage and retrieval. At the heart of IS&R are database management systems, the workhorses of data organization. These are like virtual librarians, diligently categorizing, storing, and fetching data when needed. Be it MySQL, Oracle, or Microsoft SQL Server, they all use tables, relationships, and queries to manage data. Picture a university using a DBMS to store student records. All the details from personal data to grades are neatly organized, making it easy to pull out a student's academic history with a well-crafted query. So, DBMSs make data management a breeze, don't they? File systems and hierarchical storage are the unsung heroes of efficient data storage. Think of a computer's file system as a vast digital library. Each book or file has its place on a specific shelf or directory. Now imagine a corporate setting where each department has its dedicated folder. Within these folders, files are arranged based on projects or topics. This hierarchical structure makes it easy to locate and retrieve necessary information swiftly. Clearly, a well-structured file system is key to quick and intuitive information retrieval. Ever wondered how Google finds the exact web page you're looking for among billions? The magic lies in information retrieval algorithms. These algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, index the content, and rank results based on relevance. Imagine them as detectives, sifting through clues to solve a mystery. In the case of Google, the mystery is finding the most relevant web page for your search query. Thus, algorithms are the powerhouses behind efficient information retrieval. Cloud storage and distributed systems have revolutionized the way we store and access data. Think of organizations utilizing services like Amazon S3 or Microsoft Azure Blob Storage. These platforms provide scalable, distributed data storage, meaning they can handle massive amounts of data and expand as needed. They also store data across multiple servers, enhancing reliability and accessibility through redundancy and fault tolerance. In essence, cloud storage and distributed systems offer scalable and reliable solutions for our ever-growing data needs. In an era where data breaches are common, information security is of paramount importance. Think about healthcare. Patient records are stored electronically, holding sensitive data that needs protection. Control access to this information is tightly managed through authentication measures. The patient's data may even be encrypted to further safeguard privacy. This is just one example of how encryption techniques, access control, and authentication mechanisms work together to ensure the confidentiality and integrity of stored data. Hence, ensuring data security is a critical aspect of information storage and retrieval.